Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make caramel without whipping cream. First, gather your ingredients: sugar, water, and butter. You'll also need a heavy-bottomed saucepan and a candy thermometer. This method relies on precise temperature and careful observation to achieve that perfect golden hue and rich flavor. Let's get started with the cooking process. The wet caramel method is ideal for beginners. Combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1/4 cup of water in your saucepan. Stir gently until the sugar dissolves, then stop stirring. Allow the mixture to boil, washing down any sugar crystals from the sides of the pan with a wet pastry brush. This prevents crystallization and ensures a smooth caramel. Continue cooking the syrup without stirring until it reaches 340 degrees Fahrenheit on your candy thermometer. Watch the color closely. It will transform from clear to a beautiful deep amber. This stage happens quickly, so be attentive. Once it hits the target temperature and color, remove the pan from the heat immediately to prevent burning. Now for the final touch. Carefully and slowly whisk in 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, cut into pieces. The mixture will bubble up quite a bit, so be cautious. Continue whisking until the butter is fully incorporated and the caramel is smooth. Pour your delicious, homemade caramel into a heat-proof dish and let it cool completely before enjoying.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.